Welcome students to my grammar class. In my last video, I had explained verbs and its types, that is chapter 5. So today we will continue with the same chapter. But before moving on to our next topic, let's recapitulate what we had done in our last class. So topics discussed were verbs. So in a simple language, we can say verbs are action words or doing verbs. So what are finite verbs? Verbs that have a definite tense are called finite verbs. Now, what are transitive verbs? Verbs that need objects to complete their meaning are called transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are again of two types: verbs with direct objects and verbs with indirect objects. Now, what do you mean by direct object? A direct object is a noun or pronoun that directly receives the action of the verb in a sentence. And what is an indirect object? An indirect object receives the direct object. It tells us who the verb indirectly affects and who is receiving the direct object. So today we'll learn about intransitive verbs and its types, regular verbs and irregular verbs. So what are intransitive verbs? Verbs that do not require an object to complete their meaning are called intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs do not perform an action on anyone or anything in the sentence. Here we can say, Rita sang beautifully. Sang is the verb. Can we answer the question, sang what? No. Moreover, there is no object in the sentence. So it is an intransitive verb. Similarly, if we say Ram is playing, it will be also intransitive verb. Why? Because Ram is playing. There is no object. If it would have been Ram is playing with a ball, then it would have been transitive verb because ball is the object. Suppose if you read the verb aloud in a sentence and ask what, there will be no answer. There is no answer because there is no direct object. So the verb is intransitive. John laughed. Laughed is the verb. Can we answer the question laughed what? No, the question doesn't make sense. This sentence also does not have a direct object. Therefore, it is an intransitive verb. Similarly, we can see here the children played in the woods. Played what? Here also you will not find the answer of what. So it is an intransitive verb. If it would have been the children played hide and seek in the woods, then you would have definitely got the answer. Played what? Played hide and seek. But here there is nothing such. Only it is written the children played in the woods. Intransitive verbs are of two types: verbs of action, verbs of being. What are verbs of action? Action verbs are verbs that specifically describe what the subject of the sentence is doing or has done. Anthony is throwing the ball. So what action Anthony is performing? He is performing the action of throwing. So here throwing is the verb of action. The dog ran across the road. In the summer, we will swim in our pool. So the verb of action here is swim. Now verbs of being. Verbs of being such as is, am, are do not provide information about an action but inform us about the state of being of the noun. These verbs link the subject with the rest of the sentence. We call them be-type verbs. The be-type verbs are also known as linking verbs as they link two parts of a sentence. Linking verbs do not show any action. Just keep in mind that linking verbs link the subject of a sentence to a word or a phrase that gives information about the subject. The tiger is the national animal of India. Both the subject and the complement in the above sentence refer to the same animal. Joe is a clown. Here Joe is the subject. A clown tells more about the subject, that is Joe. The word is links Joe to the clown. They are happy. They is the subject, are is the verb, happy gives information about the subject, that is they. Now let's see some forms of English verbs. English verbs usually take the ed or t ending in their past tense and past participle forms. English verbs are classified into regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now what are regular verbs? Verbs that take ed or t suffix to indicate the past action are known as regular or weak verbs. Examples of regular verbs are jump, jumped, jumped, laugh, laughed, laughed, smell, smelled, smelled, learn, learned, learned. Here you can see ed ending also and t ending also. Now what are irregular verbs? Verbs such as do and speak change to did and spoke in the past tense form. Such verbs are known as irregular or strong verbs. Examples of irregular verbs: bite, beat, bitten, fall, fail, fallen, break, broke, broken, blow, blew, blown. So here is an assignment for you all. You will do the exercises in your book. Page 45. Arrange the sentences in the correct order. Underline verbs of action, verbs of being, and mention their type. One has been done for you. Beautiful, eat, word, is. It's a beautiful word. So verbs of being here is. Page 46, 47, 48. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in brackets. I see 5 red roses on a single branch yesterday. So it will be I saw. Why? First you have to see the sentence is in which tense. So here, since it is written yesterday, that means the sentence is in past tense. So it will be I saw. The responsibility be mine. We cannot say the responsibility be mine. We always say the responsibility is mine. Page 48. Circle the correct verb in each of the following sentences. Can you choose a book from this list? Page 49. Make new verbs with the following words. Here, clarify, title, entitle, just, justified. Hope I have made it clear to everyone. Stay at home, be safe. Thank you children for attending the class.